Applied Institution and Luminar Technologies, accelerating ADAS and autonomous driving development. Hello everyone, welcome to the show called One Step. Let's talk about the journey. My name is Joel Bennett, and today we're diving into a groundbreaking partnership between two powerhouses in the automotive technology space. Applied Institution and Luminar Technologies. They've joined forces to revolutionize how automakers develop and validate their advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and automated driving AD systems. I'll break down what this partnership means for the future of vehicle safety, cost savings, and how it's speeding up the adoption of autonomous driving. Let's get started. To give you a bit of a background, Luminar Technologies is a leader in LiDAR technology, creating advanced sensors for vehicles that help detect and navigate through complex environments. If you're following the world of autonomous driving, you've probably heard of Luminar Technologies, which is working with some of the biggest names in the industry like Volvo and Mercedes-Benz. Now, Applied Institution, on the other hand, is a vehicle software supplier from Silicon Valley. They specialize in providing software tools that automakers use to design, test, and validate advanced driving systems. Their technology plays a huge role in ensuring these systems are safe and perform well before they hit the market. Together, Luminar Technologies and Applied Institution have formed a partnership to accelerate the development and adoption of ADAS and autonomous driving systems for automakers. What's exciting about this partnership is that they're providing the industry's first validated sensor model of Luminar's LiDARs. This is a huge step forward for Luminar Technologies. Now let's talk about the key challenges automakers face when developing ADAS and autonomous driving systems. Testing these systems in the real-world conditions can be time-consuming, costly, and even dangerous. Fully autonomous systems, for example, would need to drive millions of miles to prove their safety, and replicating all potential accident scenarios is almost impossible in a purely physical setting. This is where simulation comes in. Automakers can move most of their testing up to 90% into simulated environments, saving millions of dollars and countless of hours. However, for simulations to be useful, they need to be accurate. That's why this partnership between Applied Institution and Luminar Technologies is so crucial. They're offering validated sensor models of Luminar's LiDAR systems, which means that the simulation will closely mirror real-world performance, helping automakers test their systems more effectively and efficiently. Now, let's dive into the role of LiDAR and how it ties into this partnership. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, is a key technology in both ADAS and fully autonomous driving systems. These sensors emit laser pulses that reflect off objects, helping the vehicle sees its surrounding in 3D. This data is then used by the vehicle's software to detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles, making split-second decisions to either avoid a collision or slow down. But while LiDAR is crucial, testing these systems in the real world is tough. This is why the partnership with Applied Institution is a game changer for Luminar Technologies. Using their sensor sims, automakers can now simulate thousands of different edge case scenarios, like a pedestrian crossing in the busy urban environment or a suddenly pulling into traffic. These scenarios test the limits of the perception systems in a safe virtual environment. And it's not just about running the test. These simulations are incredibly accurate because they use Luminar's validated sensor models, which means the LiDAR's real-world performance is mirrored in the simulation. The sensor models capture dynamic behaviors like how the LiDAR scans its surrounding, so the results are as close as possible to what you'd get in a real-world testing. Now, Applied Institution provides several key tools to help automakers test and validate ADAS and autonomous system. Sensor Sim, this is the main tool for testing perception systems in a virtual environment. It enables automakers to simulate real-world scenarios that could be dangerous or impossible to test in the real world, like suddenly lane changing or pedestrians appearing unexpectedly. With the validated Luminar sensor models, these tests are highly realistic and help bridge the gap between simulation and real-world performance. Another one is Object Sim. Now, this is another tool in the Applied Institution suite designed to predict and plan for future movements of objects around the vehicle. This is especially useful for autonomous driving systems where the vehicle needs to anticipate the action of other cars, cyclists, or pedestrians to make safer decisions. Another one is Cloud Engine. Automakers can run scalable regression tests in cloud-based simulations, allowing them to test thousands of scenarios simultaneously. This cuts down on the time it takes to validate a system and get it ready for market. Another one is Validation Toolset. Now, automakers use this tool to track how well their systems are performing across different operational design domains like urban environments, highways, or rural roads. Now, this toolchain allows automakers to bring high-quality autonomous systems to market much faster, which is a major win for the industry. So what does this partnership really means for automakers and the broader automotive industry? Now, first, it addresses one of the biggest bottlenecks in the development of autonomous vehicles. Time, according to Luminar's CEO, Austin Russell, the time needed to integrate, develop, and validate their LiDAR sensors has been a major challenge for automakers. Now, with this integrated simulation solution, that bottleneck is being removed. This partnership accelerates the adoption curve for Luminar technology across the automotive industry. Second, automakers can now bring vehicles equipped with Luminar's LiDAR to market faster and more cost effectively. Instead of relying solely on real-world testing, they can shift the majority of their testing into the simulation environment provided by applied institution, saving both time and money. And as the simulations are validated by real-world sensor data, automakers can trust the accuracy of these virtual tests. Lastly, it's important to highlight that this collaboration isn't just a one-off. Both Applied Institution and Luminar sees this as a long-term partnership. They plan to expand it even further. For example, they've already working on validated sensor models for Luminar's Iris and Iris Plus LiDARs, with plans to integrate the Halo LiDAR as well. Now, to wrap things up, this partnership between Applied Institution and Luminar Technologies is a big deal for the future of ADAS and autonomous driving development. By providing validated sensor models and advanced simulation tools, they're making it easier and faster for automakers to develop safer, more reliable vehicles. For automakers, this means they can save millions of dollars by reducing real-world testing and accelerating time to market. And for consumers, it means that the car of the future, equipped with advanced safety features and autonomous driving capabilities, will hit the road faster and be safer than ever before. If you're excited about the future of autonomous driving, like myself, make sure to subscribe to the show called One Step. Let's talk about the journey. Listen, hit that notification bell. We've got lots more content on Luminar Technologies and the future of driving coming your way. Thanks for watching. My name is Joel Bennett. You all have an amazing evening. Take care and bye.